Hi, John Oliver from Oliver Ford Lincoln in Plymouth, Indiana. Look, we just got a brand new mobile service van. What does that mean? We can send our people and this van to you. And we're offering a special as we're going into our 70th year of business for $1.70 any make and model within a 20-mile radius of the dealership. We're going to come to you to check out 4 things on your car. First, we're coming into winter. Temperatures are getting cold. You want to make sure that your car is ready. We're going to test your tire pressure to make sure it's up to snuff. We're going to test the car battery itself, right? To make sure it's got enough cold cranking amps. When the batteries fail, when it gets cold. When do they get injured? When it gets really hot out, like the summer we just had. So we're going to test your battery to make sure it's going to get you through the winter. We're also checking the coolant, right? That's the stuff that runs through your engine, goes through the radiator to make sure that your car stays cool in the summer, but also that it goes down to negative 40 degrees in winter. Why is that important in northern Indiana? Because we're going to get some close weather there, folks. Maybe 10 below, 20 below. But the point is, coolant degrades over time. And if your coolant is not up to snuff, you can ruin a $10,000 to $20,000 motor. Don't let that happen. Let us come to you. And the other thing, these keyless remote entries, they're awesome when they work. Why do they not work? Because they take a little battery inside. It's part of the service. We're going to bring out the batteries that go to your remote and your backup remote so that you can start your car, so that you can get into your car, and most importantly, you can start your car. So again, we're replacing the batteries in this. We're going to check the battery in your vehicle, the tire pressure, and the coolant in your vehicle, all for $1.70 on any make model vehicle within 20 miles of the dealership. Come talk to us soon.